Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to explain to you the top 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that you should add to your collection. Whether you're setting up your new kitchen or simply want a new tool to help you out while cooking, investing in the best kitchen gadgets will surely change the game for you. While most conventional appliances are versatile, upgrading your kitchen with these must-have tools can speed up your work and make meal preparation effortless. With tons of products out in the market today, our team understands how it can be challenging to find the right kitchen gadget that'll suit your needs, which is why we have gathered the best ones and prepared this guide to narrow down your choices. As always, all the links for the products we mention are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you are interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. The first kitchen gadget on our list is the West Bend Popcorn Popper Machine. Popcorn is a fan-favorite movie snack. To save time, most people purchase microwavable bags of popcorn. However, the fat and salt levels make them unhealthy, and popping them on a stovetop is quite tedious, so why not use a popcorn popper machine? Featuring a chic space-saving design, the West Bend Popcorn Popper Machine can cook up to 4 quarts of 5 to 6 servings of popcorn. Equipped with the stir-crazy raw technology, it can pop more kernels with no preheating needed. Apart from that, the non-stick kettle tilts to dump cooked popcorn for quick and easy serving. Plus, it comes with a magnetic cover that can be attached to the ceiling. Our team highly recommends the West Bend Popcorn Popper Machine if you want to enjoy an extraordinary theater experience in the comfort of your own home. The second kitchen gadget on our list is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. If you're fond of cooking eggs for breakfast but don't have the time to do so, using an egg cooker can be a great help. This small countertop kitchen gadget can cook several eggs to perfection hands-free, making it ideal for anyone who's always on the go. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker boils up to 6 eggs in different firmness in one cooking. You can also use it to poach, scramble, and make omelets for your family. It's compact, only weighs 1 pound, and is available in 8 lovely colors. At the time of making this video, it is covered by a 1-year warranty protecting you against any manufacturing defect. Our team recommends the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker for busy bees who can dedicate much of their time preparing their favorite meals. It's also a must-have gadget for small apartments, dorms, campers, and RV travelers. The third kitchen gadget on our list is the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner and Swivel Peeler. Also known as a salad tosser, a salad spinner helps you dry your greens quickly and efficiently. Not to mention, this kitchen gadget is versatile. You can also use it to clean and drain berries, beans, and other vegetables, and even pasta. Featuring its patented pump mechanism, the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner can dry salad greens in seconds and be operated single-handedly. It's equipped with knob locks that allows for convenient storage, and its non-slip ring helps keep the bowl stable and steady. Apart from that, you can buy the product individually or have it as a set, along with OXO's Swivel Peeler, avocado slicer, or cutting board. It's also dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning a breeze. Overall, our team finds the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner and Swivel Peeler a definite must-have for salad, fruit, and veggie lovers alike. The fourth kitchen gadget on our list is the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus. If you're trying to pack your diet with more fruits and veggies, a juicer can conveniently make you a healthy refreshment. This machine extracts juices from fruits or vegetables that you can consume as a beverage or use in cooking. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus presents a modern space-saving design and produces up to 70 ounces of juices in one go. Equipped with a cold spin technology and a precision mesh filter, it keeps your beverage healthy by protecting extracted nutrients. It also has a 2-speed options, and its 3.5-inch wide chute can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables. At the time of making this video, it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty to protect you against faulty manufacturing. Our team recommends the Breville Juice Fountain Cold Plus if you want to level up your lifestyle and add a healthy juice to your diet. The fifth kitchen gadget on our list is the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener. If you're suffering limited hand movements because of certain disabilities like arthritis, opting for an electric can opener, then traditional ones will surely make things safe and easier for you. Powered by 4 AA batteries, the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener provides a smooth 360-degree cut to open canned goods with just a few taps. It's equipped with a patented blade that cuts the lid without getting into the food, and it leaves no sharp edges for your safety. Aside from being easy and convenient to use, it is also available in 6 different colors, making it a good gift option. Our team highly recommends the Kitchen Mama Electric Can Opener to anyone with restricted hand mobility and those who wish to skip the hassle of manually opening canned food. The 6th kitchen gadget on our list is the Vinturi Red Wine Aerator. As the name suggests, suggests an aerator exposes wine to air so that it can undergo oxidation and evaporation for enhanced flavor and aroma. If you often enjoy drinking wine, whether on its own or with food, getting this gadget will surely make it enjoyable. The sleek Vinturi red wine aerator features its patented technology that increases wine's velocity while decreasing pressure as it's being poured, thus exposing it to more air. Made from specially formulated acrylic, its unibody design helps in making this process more efficient. The product also comes with a silicone body for a comfortable grip, plus its no-drip stand elegantly displays the aerator when not in use. Our team finds the Vinturi red wine aerator as a must-have for red wine lovers who wish to enjoy and enhance the flavors of their favorite liquor. The seventh kitchen gadget on our list is the JavaPresse manual coffee grinder. Ideal for drinkers who enjoy the taste and aroma of freshly ground brewed coffee, a manual coffee grinder allows you to grind beans to almost any size, wherever and whenever you want to. Equipped with ceramic burrs and a built-in adjustable grind selector, the JavaPresse manual coffee grinder provides you with over 18 grind options for the most delicious cup of coffee. It's easy to use and you can use it almost anywhere, whether you're at home, office, or out of town. Unlike electric grinders, it works quietly and does not require any power sources. At the time of making this video, it is backed by a manufacturer's warranty, giving you a risk-free purchase. We highly recommend the JavaPresse manual coffee grinder for its ease of use and convenience, and we find this product as a must-have for avid coffee drinkers. The eighth gadget on our list is the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. With this machine, you can make and cook your favorite sandwiches in a matter of minutes instead of preparing ingredients individually. Using one can definitely save you more time and open you to more practical, healthier food options. The Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker lets you make 2 sandwiches in 5 minutes only. It's easy to use. You simply have to layer your ingredients together and assemble the machine to cook them. Its non-stick and dishwasher-safe removable components make cleaning fast and convenient. Plus, its countdown timer notifies you when your sandwiches are ready, and its recipe book can provide you with more ideas for your upcoming meals. Our team highly recommends the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker for people who don't have much time to prepare meals, as well as those who live in a small dorm or apartment. The ninth kitchen gadget on our list is the FoodSaver vacuum sealer machine. For optimal food storage, a vacuum sealer machine is definitely a must-have. This machine seals food in an airtight plastic bag to prevent oxidation, preserving its flavor and crispness. Additionally, a vacuum sealing machine is a must, especially if you're planning to try sous vide cooking. With its 2-in-1 system, the FoodSaver vacuum sealer machine automatically detects and vacuum seals bags conveniently. Equipped with a retractable handheld sealer, it works best with FoodSaver bags, eliminating the need to buy a separate sealing device and other additional accessories. It also comes with a pull-out drip tray that catches excess liquid from the sealed food, keeping your countertops neat. Since it mainly keeps food fresh for longer periods, the In the Kitchen team finds the FoodSaver vacuum sealing machine a must-have for all, whether for daily residential or professional use. The last kitchen gadget on our list is the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Sous vide is a cooking technique wherein food is sealed in airtight plastic and immersed in a precisely heated water bath. This famous method cooks food slowly and evenly, making it more succulent and flavorful than if it were cooked by other means, such as roasting, frying, or boiling. To create delicious meals, you'll need a high-quality machine, and we recommend the famous Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker. This device circulates water at a constant temperature to evenly cook meals to perfection. Not to mention, you can connect it with its mobile app via Bluetooth for convenient monitoring. It's compact enough to be stored in kitchen drawers, and although it's smaller than the standard Anova Precision Cooker unit, the Nano model is robust enough to cook up to 4 servings of food. Our team highly recommends the Anova Sous Vide Precision Cooker to anyone who wishes to try the sous vide method to make perfectly cooked meals. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that you should own. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update on this subject. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.